Hi, my name is David and this is my program for the third exercise. Before walking you through the program, I'm going to execute it, and as you can see, it is asking us to enter a number between 1 and 10,000. Because our answer was too high, we have to try again. This time our answer is too low and we have to try again another time. After many tries, we finally get the correct answer and we get winner as an output. The code consists of 3 parts. In the first part of the program, I am defining all the variables I'll use. In the second, the program will keep asking the user to try and guess the number R until the user achieves. The third is simply the print stating winner once the user guesses the correct number. In the first part where I define the variables, I am using a random object to get the random number I called randgen, short for a random generator. I am also defining a scanner to get the user input guesses. The variable lower range is assigned to 1 and the upper range is assigned to 10,000 to define the initial interval from 1 to 10,000. This interval narrows down after each input / guess the user inputs. Lastly, n is a variable holding each guess from the user, which starts in 0 as a value outside the possible interval. The second part contains the loop that will keep asking the user for a guess until the user guesses the correct number. If the guess is greater than r, the upper range is updated to the guess number minus 1. When the guess is less than r, the lower range is updated to the guess number plus 1. I chose to update them 1 away from n because the guess number, n, is already excluded from the interval where r is. The section ends with a print entering a new line to separate each caption with the line feed. And finally, the third part is simply the caption letting the user know that they won. Hooray! In the pseudocode shown in the expectations video, it shows the winner output as an else within the loop. However, I chose to put it outside the loop as the loop will break only if the number is guessed. The other thing I learned while testing the program was that if I entered a number outside the suggested range, say 11,000, the range would update to a bigger interval, which from the user perspective is a little odd in my opinion, as you would expect the interval would narrow down every time. But I realized that accounting for this logic would somewhat be complex and it may be something to try on a later time. Thank you for watching.